little babies.
Good morning, everybody. Martin and Brenda here. As you saw yesterday, we got the pigs. We're going out this morning to check on them for the first morning. It got to, what, 52 last night? So plenty of straw at pig hut out there, so we can see them from here. They're running around in there. They were in the feeder eating. So anyway, let's go see them.
Hey, good morning. Good morning, little babies.
You can see they already started rutting up the area here.
Even in those leaves over there. Look.
Yeah.
Hi, babies.
This is good. There they are over there. Hi, baby.
Good morning. It's okay.
Not quite sure about us. There's the food box. They're getting in it, but they won't be doing that for very long. We're gonna go check on the new chicks now.
Little babies. Hi. Good morning.
That's a lot of water.
Oh, it's okay.
That was full last night.
It's okay.
And this was up here. So that's a lot of water in one evening.
They're 3 weeks today.
3 weeks old.
3 weeks old.
You can see they're getting most of their feathers. I think by the end of the week, maybe early next week, they should be out in the chicken tractor.
Don't poop in there. That's your food, silly. Yeah, that's your food, silly. What are you doing? You're getting so big. All right, baby. It's all right. Yeah. Oh. They're even getting feathers on their neck now.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh.
They're feathering out pretty good. All these are new feathers.
From there.
These chicks will be ready for harvesting in middle of July. They're 3 weeks old today. Show you where they're heading next week out to the chicken tractor I built. This video is coming out probably next week or the week after. I did a video on how I built this, and you'll see that pretty soon, but it's a hybrid version of the chicken tractor that you see on YouTube if you happen to be looking them up. But it's 6x10. Chicken tractor pull cord on the front there I put on. That's where they're heading next week, and we'll be dragging them around the yard here for the sun always plays a role in videoing, but they'll be in a chicken tractor until the middle of July. We're gonna go head out and check the layers now.
Hey, Olive. Hi, pretty girl. You're trying to get me. You don't like that? Hmm? Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, pretty girl. What you got? Oh, good girl.
Open these up because it's going to be warmer today. And then this one. I think you did it. All right, so we have these side windows here too. I didn't open them up yet, but they slide open. Should we open these today? It's gonna be the 7. Nah, we'll leave those closed. We'll change the water out.
The hen chalet.